Hello, let's do a higher maths GCSE exam preparation question. This one involves area and algebra. We have a compound shape where there's 3 there in centimeters, 2x down there, 2x plus 3 across the top, and 5x minus 2 there. And all units are in centimeters, and all corners are right angles. We've got to work out the value of x if we know that the total area is 14. Now, normally I'd work out the missing sides, but in this case, because it's a compound shape, I'm just going to split it there, and then I don't even need to work out those missing sides, because I have area 1 over here, which is just 3 times 2x, which is 6x, and then I have area 2 over here, which is this bracket 2x plus 3 times 5x minus 2. Okay, and I know that the sum of those two is going to equal 14. So let's work that out. Let me expand this bracket. It's 10x squared minus 4x plus 15x minus 6. Expand and simplify. 10x squared plus 11x minus 6. And over here we have 6x. So we're going to add those two together. We're going to have 10x squared, collecting the x's, plus 17x minus 6 equal to total area of 14. So we're going to have a quadratic. Let's set that equal to 0. So 10x squared plus 17x minus 20 equal to 0. Now that it's equal to 0, we can solve for, if it was graphical, the roots, the solutions, where x would cut the x-axis. It's a non-calculator paper, so this might look a little bit more challenging because there's no common factor between the prime 17 and the 10 and the 20. However, we can split this and do factorizing by grouping. If we multiply the 10 and the 20, we get 200. So we need something that has a product of 200, well, actually negative 200, and yet it sums to positive 17. And if you think about your factors in their pairs, 200 times 1, 100 times 2, 50 times 4, 25 times 8, that's where you can think, 25 and 8, if I do 25 minus 8, not only will I get 17, but I'll also have a difference of signs. So I can do 10x squared plus 25x minus 8x minus 20 equal to 0. So I've split that 17 up into two numbers that'll sum to 17. Now I'm going to take this pair here, take out the common factors of 5x, leaving me 2x plus 5. Over here I'm going to take out minus 4, leaving me 2x plus 5. If these two brackets are different, then there's a problem. But the fact that they're both equal means we're onto the right path, because then I can take out those brackets as factors, 2x plus 5 and 5x minus 4. Now those are the brackets that I need that factorize that trinomial. That'll give me my solutions. So x is either going to equal minus 5 over 2, or x is going to equal 4 over 5. Now, because it is a real positive number, an actual length, I can't have a negative number. So in this case, x is 0.8. And that solves our problem. So let's go through that again. We have a compound shape with algebra lengths. I don't need to find out everything if I just work out the two separate areas, a1 being 6x, and a2 being 2x plus 3 times 5x minus 2, which when expanded and simplified gives me that. I add the two together, and I'm told that they equal 14. So I have that. Then I have to factorize by grouping, and I go through by multiplying 10 by 20 to give me 200, and I work out the factor pairs of 200 that'll multiply or product to 200, but sum to 17. And that's where I see 25 and 8. So if I split the 17 up into 25x minus 8x, I can then factorize in pairs or in groups, take out the 5x from there, and I get 2x plus 5, take out minus 4x from there, and I get 2x plus 5. And as long as those two are the same, I know I'm on the right path. I can factorize that out, leaving me with 2x plus 5 times 5x minus 4, and that'll solve it. Again, I want a positive solution because it is the length. And that solves the equation there and solves the sum. Okay, if I had split these pairs differently, if I'd done 10x squared minus 8x and the 25 there, it shouldn't matter. They should end up here. And I could quickly solve that, show that here. 10x squared minus 8x plus 25x minus 20. And if I do these two pairs here and I take out, well, it's going to be 2x with 5x minus 4. And over here, I'm going to have 5 with 5x minus 4. Again, I'm getting a repeated bracket, which will be the same as that one there, 5x minus 4 and 2x plus 5. I'm going to end up with the same thing of 2x plus 5 and 5x minus 4. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and good luck for your exams.